In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Nitro on Discord mobile. First, make sure your Discord app is updated and that you're signed in on your phone or tablet. An up-to-date app ensures the Nitro gifting options appear where we expect, and having a valid payment method ready will save you time during checkout. Open the Discord app, you'll land on your home or messages screen. From here, tap your profile picture. On most devices, you'll find it in the bottom right. This opens your profile panel where you can quickly adjust account settings and preferences. Next, tap the settings icon in the upper right. It looks like a small gear. This is where Discord keeps all account privacy and billing options on mobile. Inside settings, scroll until you see billing settings. This is the section that handles subscriptions, payment methods, and purchases. If you haven't added a payment method before, you can do that here, so the gift checkout is smooth. Keep in mind that prices can vary slightly by region and taxes. Now tap Nitro Gifting. This area is dedicated to purchasing a Nitro subscription as a gift for someone else. Nitro unlocks perks like higher quality video, larger upload limits, and profile customization. It's a great way to support a friend or community member. Choose the Nitro you want to gift. You'll typically see different tiers and durations, such as a monthly plan or a longer term. Pick the option that matches what you want to give. You'll see the price before you confirm, and Discord will guide you through the payment screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase securely. After you complete the purchase, Discord will provide a gift that can be redeemed by the recipient. Depending on your region and the app version, this is often a redeemable link you can share. If the recipient already has Nitro, the gift normally stacks as extra time once redeemed. If they don't redeem it right away, check any listed expiration details so they don't miss out. For smooth delivery, send the gift through a method the recipient can access easily, like a direct message in Discord or another messaging app. That's it. You opened Discord, went to your profile, entered settings, navigated to billing settings, tapped Nitro Gifting, and selected the Nitro plan you want to give. With those steps, you can gift Nitro in just a few minutes. If anything looks different on your screen, update the app and try again, as interface labels can change slightly over time. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing Nitro.